So step one of cast on is to create your loop. So take your right hand and take the yarn over the left and bring that yarn through and pull through. And that is your loop. Stick your needle in there and pull. Now we're going to get our hands in position. So you're going to take the yarn and wrap it clockwise around your little finger and clockwise around your thumb. That is your left hand. Now for your right hand, you're going to go anti-clockwise and you're going to wrap that around, and now your hands are in position. So step two is to cast on. So what you're going to do is stick your needle in there and bring that loop around the needle and pull. Again, you're going to wrap that yarn around your thumb. You're going to stick your needle in. You're going to pull that yarn around the needle and pull through. And that is cast on style long tail method.